This is Children by Robert Miles, and it's Hands Together from bar 33. So here is middle C. You have to go to the F that's 2 octaves below, and then you put a third octave below that. So it's very low octave Fs in the left hand. Right hand is A flat and F just above middle C. Right hand now, bar 34, changes to B flat with a 4 and G with a 2, and your left hand has to jump up a whole octave, so you're still doing F octaves, but this time there's a C in the middle. This is what I call an open octave, where you've got the first, the fifth, and then the eighth, the octave. Okay, so this is the next bit, bar 34. Then right hand for bar 35 is 5 and 3, 5 on C, 3 on A flat. Left hand jumps back down to the very low open, so there's no middle on this one, just F and F in the left hand. Then we go back to 4 and 2 in the right, jump back up to open octave F. Okay, I'm going to do those 4 bars again, but without talking. Left hand pattern now changes. You've got D flat and D flat with an A flat in the middle. So this is a D flat open octave. Right hand is 3 on A flat, thumb on F. Okay, at the end of that pattern in the right hand, you probably noticed there was a little twiddle. So it goes 2, 3, 4, and the 4 is at the beginning of bar 38. Okay, so then bar 38, we have 4 on B flat and 2 on G. Left hand, we've got F open octave. Another twiddle on A flat, B flat, up to 5 on C. We're down to low F, no middle this time for bar 39. At some point through that you have to change so that your 3 is on the C, so you can do a little twiddle at the end, B flat C, then you can do 5 and 2 for the right hand. So I'm just going to play the right hand, bar 39 and 40, so 5 on C, okay, I'm going to do all of that hands together now from bar 33.